Every legend begins with a spark, born from passion, crafted with precision, a fragrance that transcends time. This is Tuzhar. Elegance begins here. Every bottle carefully polished, every box sealed by hand. Our 50 milliliter luxury edition, crafted for the true connoisseur. Farid, a fragrance of distinction. Moon Night, mystery captured in glass. And 6 more expressions of refinement, each carrying its own story of elegance. Precision in every step, from filling to sealing to perfection. The Tuzhar 100 milliliter signature collection, crafted for those who leave a legacy behind. Aura, the fragrance of charisma. Blue Ocean, waves of refreshing strength. Zahrat, a floral crown of beauty. And more fragrances that embody boldness, grace and legacy. From hand-packed jars to glowing embers, our luxury Bakur is heritage reborn. Amber, warmth that lingers. Sufi, spiritual, timeless, pure. Together with 6 more blends that awaken the senses. Each attar bottled with care, drop by drop. The 12 milliliter collection, pure, concentrated, eternal. Elegance that travels with you. Each roll-on, compact, precise, and ready to move. Aventus, bold and confident. White Oud, pure and eternal. And 6 more creations, crafted for everyday elegance. From craftsmanship to luxury, from tradition to legacy. This is Tuzhar. Tuzhar, where luxury breathes.